So you are about to take a career interest survey, and what it is going to do is to help you to decide what kind of jobs you might think about for your future. And this will take about 5 to 10 minutes, and what I'm going to ask you to do is stay with me. I sent you the link, and it should be on your computers. Raise your hand if you have any, if anybody doesn't have this in front of them. Please have this on your active window now. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So I need this on your active window. That means it's right in front of you. Okay. Now, I'm going to read a bunch of possible activities that you might like to do. And you're going to check the boxes of the activities that you like. So do you like to adapt to change or perform a variety of duties that may change? So do you like to be kind of flexible and do things that require change? Do you like to analyze information or interpret it for others? Do you like to be a leader or a position in authority? Do you like to be involved in politics? Do you have political discussions? Do you like to be indoors in all kinds of weather? Do you like to handle money and records with accuracy and reliability? So do you like to handle money and keep records about it? Do you care about people, their needs, and their problems? Do you concentrate for long periods of time without being distracted? Do you like to design brochures and pictures? So maybe you like to draw, or maybe you like to be on the computer to do that. Do you like to design efficient processes? That means do you like to figure out the best way to do things? Do you like to direct and plan activities for others? So if you like to organize activities for others. Do you like to do routine, organized, and accurate work? So you're kind of a creature of habit and you're part of a routine. Do you like to drive or ride? Obviously, you don't have a driver's license right now, but do you like to ride in cars? Maybe you even ride in snowmobiles or ATVs. Do you like to explore new technology? Do you like to figure out how things work or investigate new things? Do you like to find answers to questions? Do you like to find the best way or a new way to do something? Do you like to follow logical, step-by-step procedures? Do you like to give presentations, enjoy public speaking, or perform in front of other people? Do you like to handle several responsibilities at once? So can you multitask? Do you like to have a flexible schedule? You don't like routines. Do you like to help others learn new things? Do you like to help people make up their minds? And do you like to help people overcome their challenges? So can you help somebody and support them and motivate them to be their best? Click Next. Again, you're going to choose activities that best describe what you like to do. Check the box if it describes you. Do you like health and science classes? Do you like to help sick people and animals? Do you like to hunt or fish? Do you like to learn about new cultures and meet different kinds of people? Do you like to learn how things grow? Do you like to listen to other people's viewpoints? Are you a good listener? Do you like to make business contacts with people? So you're not going to be making business contacts at your age, but do you like to talk to other people that you don't normally talk to? Do you like to make decisions based on what you see? Do you like to make visual displays? So things that you can see, like posters. Do you like to move things from one place to another? Do you like to negotiate, defend, or debate? Some of you are debaters. Do you like to observe or analyze other people's behavior? So do you watch how other people behave? Do you like to participate in community services or volunteering? So maybe you're in Girl Scouts or Boy Scouts or volunteer to do National Junior Honor Society or things like that. Do you like to perform detailed work that requires precise or tangible results? So that means you're detail oriented and you do things that require very specific skills. Do you like to perform creative or artistic activities? Do you like to persuade people to buy products or to participate in activities? So are you good at persuading people? Can you picture in your mind what a finished product looks like before it's done? Do you like to plan work and follow instructions without close supervising? So do you like to work independently? Do you play a musical instrument, or are you interested in playing a musical instrument? Do you like to play video games or figure out how they work? Do you like to communicate ideas to different types of people? So if somebody doesn't understand, are you the type of person that will explain it to them? Do you like to protect the environment? Do you like to put things together? Do you like to read and write? Do you respect and follow rules and regulations? And do you respond quickly and calmly in an emergency? Click the next button. Again, we're going to click the activities that describe what you like to do. Do you like to shop and go to the mall? Maybe you do your shopping online. Do you like to solve technical or mechanical problems? So in other words, do you like to work with your hands? Do you like to take advantage of opportunities to make extra money? Some of you may even be making extra money. Do you like to take classes or workshops? So if you could learn something new, would you like to do that? Do you like to travel and explore new things? Do you like to understand and follow instructions or blueprints? So when you get something new, do you take out the instructions and read it, or do you not? Do you like to use existing facts to predict or anticipate needs and prepare for them? So, in other words, how good are you at foreseeing possible consequences or things that you might need? Do you like to use logic and information to make decisions or solve complex problems? So if you're scientifically minded, then you would check yes. Do you use your eyes and have quick reflexes? Do you use the Earth's natural resources? Do you use tools or operate equipment and keep them in good repair? And that includes like your video games, your televisions, anything that is equipment. Do you use video and recording technology? Do you visit and learn from beautiful, historic, or interesting buildings? So how much do you travel, and do you like to travel? Can you visualize objects in 3 dimensions? So can you see things kind of in your head from a flat drawing? Can you work cooperatively with other people as members of a team? Would you like to work in a laboratory? How do you feel about working to meet a deadline? Do you work well under pressure or in the face of danger? Do you work and interact with all ages and people of all types? So do you find that you get along with all people of all different ages? Do you like to work with computers or computer programs? Do you like to work with your hands? Do you like to work and interpret numbers and formulas to come up with solutions? So if you like math, do you like math or algebra? Click next. Again, you're going to choose activities that best describe the personal qualities that you have. Are you adventurous? Are you caring? Are you community-minded? That means you care about your community. Are you compassionate? That means you care about other people. Are you competitive? Are you conscientious? That means you think through what you do and you're careful. Are you coordinated? Are you creative and imaginative? Are you a creative problem solver? That means you think of solutions that are kind of out of the box. Are you curious? Are you curious about new technology? Do you like to make decisions? Are you decisive? That means you do make decisions quickly. Are you dependable? Are you detail-oriented? That means you go back and you check to see that everything is done correctly and you don't hurry up through something. Are you determined? Tenacious means you stick with something. Are you enthusiastic? Are you friendly? Are you good at following directions? Are you good at visualizing possibilities? So your imagination, is it good? Are you a good communicator? Do you have good concentration skills? So in other words, you're not distracted easily. Are you a good listener? Are you helpful? Are you innovative or inquisitive? That means are you curious? Click next. Here's some more personal qualities. Check the ones that describe you. Are you a logical, analytical thinker? So you make things that are scientific. You use science and math to make your decisions. Are you mechanical? That means you like to put things together or work with your hands. Are you methodical or efficient? That means you just stick with something and you carry it through. Are you a nature lover? Are you non-judgmental? That means you're not really prejudiced. You don't make judgmental kinds of decisions. Are you non-materialistic? That means do you value things other than possessions? Are you objective? That means you don't have a bias. That means that you try to not take sides. Are you observant? Are you optimistic? That means you think positively. Are you orderly? So is your locker organized? Are you organized? Are you outgoing? That might depend on whether you're an introvert or an extrovert. Are you patient and persistent? Do you stay with things when you're doing them? Do you pay attention to detail? Are you persuasive? That means can you convince others to do things? Are you a planner? Do you carefully plan things out? Are you practical? That means you don't worry about things that are not important. Are you precise and accurate? So when you do things, you're very careful about how you do them. Are you a problem solver? Do you find solutions even if you're thinking out of the box? Are you realistic about what you're doing? Do you relate well to the feelings and thoughts of others? Are you responsible? And can you see the details in the big picture? So you're not just focused on what is happening right now, but you can see the big picture. And are you self-confident? Click next. And last of personal qualities, check the activities that you describe what you would like to do. Are you self-motivated? That means can you get up and do things on your own? You don't depend on other people to do them for you. Are you self-reliant? That means do you take care of yourself? Are you service-minded? That means you're thinking about other people. Are you slow to anger? Do you think things through step by step? Are you tactful? In other words, you're kind. Are you trustworthy? Can you keep a secret? Can you follow directions? Do you use intuition and logic? So in other words, you kind of think also with your heart, but also with your head at the same time. Think intuitively. It's a gut feeling. Are you well organized? Do you work well with others? Click next. School subjects. Check the activities that describe what you like to do. Do you like accounting? That's math. That's a special kind of math. Do you like agriculture? That's like biology. Do you like art or graphic design? Do you like banking or finances? That's working with money. Do you like biology or life sciences? Do you like business computer applications? Do you like business law? You're probably not familiar with that yet. Do you like chemistry? Chemistry is a kind of science that deals with like the elements. Do you like communications? So things like newscasts. Do you like computer networking or electronics? Do you like computer technology and software development? Do you think you might like the construction trades? Do you like drafting, which is a kind of computer-aided drawing? Do you like the earth sciences? Are you concerned about the earth? Do you like economics? That's a mathematical study of the economy. Do you like the electrical trades? Maybe heating, air conditioning, refrigeration, or even technology? Do you like English? Do you like food services? So are you interested in restaurants or serving food or cooking? Are you interested in foreign languages or do you know other foreign languages? Are you interested in health or in first aid? How about human development? Are you concerned about human development or how you grow? Are you interested in law enforcement or being a police officer? Do you like literature and writing? Do you like marketing? That's how you sell things. Do you like math? Click next. School subjects, part 2. We're almost done. Hang in there. Check the activities that describe what you like to do. Do you like mechanics? That's working on cars and automobiles and trucks. Do you like the physical sciences? Do you like physics? That's a kind of science that depends a lot on math. Do you like political science? So again, it's about politics. Do you like psychology or sociology? And are you interested in social studies or histories? Then hit complete. Now you're going to get some results, and this is what I want you to save. Let's see how many there are. We're going to have to go to the Start button on your screen and find the snipping tool. So that, have we ever used the snipping tool? You're going to do a new snip, and you're going to check the area where it says these career clusters match your interests, and you're going to copy them. So we're going to take the top ones, and then what it does is it puts it in a snipping area, and you can paste that into Word, and then snip the bottom portion after you paste that one. And then wait for further instructions.